So once again, standard form, there is a format for standard form, just like quadratic equation. So for standard form is a times 10 to the power of n. That means n is something. Okay? And your a is the value of a is must be bigger than 0 and smaller than 10. Okay? So see how we can make use of this format and do this one. Can you see they say express in standard form? So basically your 95300, you need to get it into this format. So how do you get it into this format? Now, where's your decimal point for this? Decimal point is here, right?
Yeah.
Right? So once you identify the decimal point, that's your first step. The next step is you move your decimal point so that you have the a between 0 to 10. So this one you move here, move one position to the left. This is 8530 and it's still not in this range, right? Move one more. 853 is still not in this range, right?
Yeah.
So you move one more. 85.3, is it in this range? Not yet. Move one more. 8.53, is it in this range already? 8.53, is it in this range already?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, then you stop. Stop moving. So now, your decimal point is here. So you move how many times? To the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you move the decimal point 4 times here, right? So the number you start off with is 85300, and now you force it, you move the decimal point by 4 position to the left. So in a way you make it smaller by an order of 4. So in a way here you need to compensate this effect by you force it to be smaller by the order of 4, right?
Yeah.
So you need to times the 10 to the power 4 to compensate that effect, to balance. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? So that's why you get 10 to the power 4.
It's 4
One more
o'clock.
question. This one. 0.00023. So in this case, your decimal point is here already. If you move the decimal point to the left, you will make it smaller, and you will never reach this range, right? So therefore, instead of moving the decimal point to the left, you need to move it to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3. 0.23 is still not in this range. One more. 2.3, is it in this range already?
Yeah.
Very good. So therefore, this is equal to 2.3 times 10. So in a way, this one, you move how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. You force it to increase by an order of 4. So to compensate, we need to balance it by 10 to the power negative 4. Okay? You reduce it by the order of 4 here, it will be 10 to the power 4. You increase it by the order of 4, you need to use negative 4. Okay? So that's the how do you get into standard form. Okay? So after you get this, you can punch the calculator and you can see whether you can get back this. If you punch the calculator for this, if you can get back this, that means you are correct. Understand? Understand? So that's how you do the standard form. So they give you the standard form and they ask you to get back the normal one. So 9.6 times 10 to the power of 3. So you just use your you might not use your calculator, just 10 to the power of 3, 1000, right? So 9.6 times 1000 is 9600. So that's how you can get back the original form, the normal form. Okay? Can? So that's conversion from one form to another using standard form. Understand? So that's how we get